Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. Today on 1st July, UPSC has released an important notice regarding the changing of center. Because of COVID pandemic, many students have shifted to their hometown from their place of study and they have requested UPSC to change the center. In this regard, UPSC had released an important notice. Let us analyze what this notice is saying. The notice is saying that UPSC is going to conduct the prelims examination 2020 on 4th October 2020 as per revised schedule published on 5th June 2020. They are again saying that for prelims examination, many students have requested to change the center. So UPSC has decided to give an opportunity to submit the new center, and they are again saying that they will give the option to change the center of mains examination as well, both for civil services mains examination and Indian Forest Services mains examination. So this is very important point which UPSC has mentioned in this notice. Further, the UPSC is saying that the window of submitting the revised choice of center by the candidates will be operational in two phases. The first phase is 7th to 13th July 2020 and it will be open till 6 p.m. only. The second phase will be 20th to 24th July 2020 and it will also be opened till 6 p.m. only. The candidate can visit UPSC online.nic.in and they can change their center. Also, UPSC is saying that the candidate may please note that their request for change in center will be considered based on the principle of first apply, first allot basis. So if you are coming late and center is filled, you may not get the center. So first come, first get basis will be there. So mark this point and mark this date also. You have to fill your choice of center between this date only on UPSC online.nic.in portal. The UPSC is saying that no other eligibility criteria and condition related to exam will be changed. It will be remain unchanged as mentioned in notice issued on 12 February 2020. But they have mentioned that commission will also make a withdrawal window available to the candidate of commission's website during the period from 1st to 8 August 2020. So basically one can withdraw their form between this period of time by visiting the commission's website. So this is mentioned by the UPSC. This is very important notice. Mark this important point and make your plan accordingly. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.